सो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू योर वेरी ओन यूट्यूब चैनल सब मिलेगा। और जैसे हम यहाँ पे अपना पहला पार्ट ख़त्म कर चुके थे, तो आज हम यहाँ से ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे सेनवा सागा हेलब्लेड 2। तो चलते हैं। औरत होने का पूरा अपना हक अदा करते हुए सेनवा मर्द को आगे लगाया हुआ है, चाहे वो तकलीफ़ में, लेकिन उसको आगे लगाया हुआ है। बस सच्चाई है कुछ दुनिया की यही। मेरा जिस्म मेरी मर्ज़ी का बोर्ड नहीं बस उसके हाथ में, बाकी तो सब काम पूरे हैं। लेकिन चलें, गेम का हिस्सा है। कम ऑन सिनेमा। डिटेल्स, ग्राफिक्स, डिटेल्स, लाइटिंग, आर्ट डायरेक्शन, वर्ल्ड, सब बहुत मेहनत की है गोरों ने। हमारे पास होती तो सामने से शान निकलता हुआ था, डंडा हाथ में होता और कहता है पना हो जो। शुक्र है गोरों ने बनाई है। तो गाइस जब वीडियो चलेगी तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं वहाँ पे कुछ ना बोलूं।
Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Don't listen. Someone is suffering. Help me. You need to go inside. You need to help them. Someone needs your help.
Everyone is dead in there. Everyone.
How else?
Do you want to join them?
You came here to help.
Let's go.
Listen to yourself. What is beyond there is too dark.
We are leaving.
ये चीज चल।
Don't give me orders, slaver.
सिनेमा निहायत गुस्से में नजर आ रही हो।
We'll find another way in. You need to find them. Move quickly.
I will take you to my people, like I said.
He has
Not into this settlement. You have no idea what you're walking into.
He wants you to die.
Just turn around.
No, we can't leave. Don't tell him you hear things. Do you remember the screams? He wouldn't understand. I can't.
Damn you. Why won't you listen to reason?
I thought your father protected these people.
He does.
स्लेवर को हमने स्लेव बनाया
Protect
हुआ।
people from their own
इंटरेस्टिंग।
It looks like
तो
they
अब हम
let
नहरों
their
नहर जा
guard
रहे
down.
हैं।
They brought us
सजे भी नहर,
themselves.
खबे भी नहर, दरमियान में पुल, नहर वाला पुल। जैसे वो गाना भी था ना, सानू नहर वाले पुल ते बुला के। इधर हम उदाए हैं, बुलाए नहीं गए। Look there, where?
Can you see? Mounds of earth.
You see these graves? This is how we honor
मज़ीद
our
लाशें।
dead.
कब्र से बाहर आई
No
हुई
one
लाशें।
to bury you.
These graves are new. So many bodies.
ये कलमा पड़ा होता तो शायद आज ये हालात ना होते इनके।
You haven't honored these graves. What happened?
I told you,
Troika.
Droigar.
Who are they? Are
They
they
won't
human?
just kill you.
Are they from this world or another world?
It is far worse. It is what they do after. They
will kill you. They will kill us.
You still have a chance to save your life if you stop now.
You must trust yourself and listen to your own mind. Is it my life you're trying to save? He is scared. Why? Why is he scared? He knows what they are capable of. Troika, why would you bring him with you? Are you sure you want to? She has to leave him. He will be a burden to you. But what if he escapes? What are you going to do, Senna? What are you going to do? Decide. There's something here. I need to find out what it is.
They're dead.
You're mad.
She's not mad. Doesn't see the signs.
Don't make sense.
Stupid! He doesn't.
You're mad.
He doesn't know. He doesn't see the signs.
There's no way. I am going in there.
Look at him.
Look at him.
डरा हुआ है बेचारा.
Wounded. Hurt. Defeated.
But you need him.
No, you're not.
But we need him alive.
He will try to
तो
escape.
क्या करेंगे इसको?
Has.
Go on then.
सिनेमा इसकी टांग काट के ले जाते
Do
हैं.
it.
Don't let the rage get the better
The-
of you.
The rage is coming.
जालिम औरत.
Just moments ago.
बांध के जाएंगे.
You shouldn't have saved him.
This was a mistake. Senua, he enslaves people.
How does it feel to be the one bound and helpless, waiting to die?
When this heals, I will kill you. Mad woman.
For that, you'll need to stay alive.
चलो सिनेमा. अकेले जाना है. अकेले आए थे और अकेले ही जाना है.
You must discover what is happening. What evil is here? What happened here? What happened here?
कवे आए थे बताने के लिए कि मेहमान आ रहे हैं.
All the people
लेकिन हम
butchered.
अकेले थे.
Dead bodies everywhere.
It's happening again.
This is like what happened to your village. To us. Do you remember?
Do you?
तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं. दूसरे हट में चलते हैं.
Why do you want to look?
There's nothing you can do.
She wants to remind herself of the past. She wants to live in.
आगे वो रास्ता. हट के अंदर से रास्ता.
The Northmen raided your village.
They enslaved people.
और
They
सामने
took
चलते
Dillian,
हैं.
your beloved Dillian.
They killed him, Senua.
He died because of them.
Do you remember?
They took him from you, your Dillian. They killed
लाशें ही लाशें पड़ी हुई हैं जहाँ भी देखते हैं. ओहो.
the bodies.
तबाह हुई हुई लाश.
Covered in blood.
The blood. Don't think about it.
बच्चे की आवाज़ किधर से आ रही है? बच्चा भी नहीं है.
Please. It's already happened.
It's in the past.
It's
इस गेम का यही सीन है. हर टाइम
you are letting the past
कानों में
control.
कहीं ना कहीं से कोई आवाज़ आ रही होती है जो अक्सर डरा भी देती है. मोस्टली डरती है. यहाँ से जाके देखते हैं. नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं जाएगी. पर यहाँ जाना होगा किसी तरह. इधर से जाती है. नहीं, यहाँ से भी नहीं जाती. सामने से जाएगी.
What happened here?
Hold your breath.
The air smells thick
Okay.
with disease.
एक और
Stench
रास्ता.
of it.
She can't forget
You can never forget.
that memory.
ये तो फिर हम वापिस ही आ गए.
Face it, the past will free you.
क्या करना है? तो अब इस साइड पे जाके देखते हैं, शायद कुछ मिले. ओके, तो अब यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमें एक
It's him.
पजल सॉल्व करनी है, जिसे हम इस पर फोकस करेंगे. और
Look at it.
Face the past.
1 2 3 ये 3 सिंबल्स हमने ढूंढने हैं जो मतलब कि यहाँ पे कहीं पे बने नहीं होंगे, लेकिन हमने उनको कुछ ऐसा जोड़ के तो वो सिंबल्स बनाने हैं ताकि हमारा अपना केव जो है वो खोल सकें,
Yes.
सीक्रेट पाथ खुल सके हमारा। यहाँ मेरे ख्याल से वापस जाना चाहिए इस साइड पे कहीं पे। ये मिल गया
Face your fear.
और
Focus.
ये फोकस किया और ये एग्जैक्ट वो साइन, हमारा पहला साइन
Yes. Tuned.
हमें मिल चुका है। अब हमें दो और ढूंढने हैं।
Its way
कहाँ हो सकते हैं?
it will suck you
यहाँ पे
back into the
कुछ,
past
यहाँ पे कुछ
and hold you there.
नहीं, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है। ओके, तो दूसरी साइड पे जाके देखते हैं जहाँ से हम पहले एक दफ़ा होके आए थे, वही पहाड़ के ऊपर बुलंदी पे।
Yes. Getting closer. She can feel it.
यहाँ कुछ है, ये मिल गया। ये हो गए हमारे दो साइंस। ओके, एक रह गया, वो मिलेगा तो हमारी केव खुलेगी।
I warn you.
एक दफ़ा इधर देखना हो तो दूसरी साइड पे चलते हैं।
Worst time of your life.
उल्टा के बना हुआ है कहीं पे। थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, ये नहीं कि बिल्कुल सामने आपके बना के दे देते हैं कि ये लो जी बटन दबाओ हो गया। दायरा ढूंढना पड़ता है, गेम है। मुश्किल होगी तो मज़ा आएगा ना खेलने में।
Up there. There. How'd she get up there? She can't find a path. You have to
नहीं
find a
यार
way
सनवा,
somewhere.
क्या कर रही हो? ओके, तो एक ये सीक्रेट रास्ता मिला है, इस पे चलते हैं, शायद ऊपर से जाके कुछ। ओके, अंदर बल्कि ऊपर।
Not long ago. Face it.
ये
Focus.
अब हमारा तीसरा साइन कंप्लीट हो गया।
Know what's coming.
अब हम उतरेंगे नीचे और हमारी केव खुली होगी।
Hardest part.
You think you
अब
understand?
एक दफ़ा फिर फोकस करना पड़ेगा इसके ऊपर।
Never
Okay.
understand.
लहराती हुई राहें, खोले हुए हैं बाहें, ये हम आ गए हैं कहाँ। इग्नोर माई सिंगिंग स्किल्स, लेकिन ये हम कहाँ पे आ गए हैं। ओके, कौन है? हम दरवाज़ा नॉक नहीं करते, हमारी आदत, हम सीधा अंदर घुसने वाले हैं। ये कुछ पड़ा हुआ है टेबल पे, क्या है? ओके, माय मिरर। तन्वा, जो चीज़ मिले वो माय नहीं होती।
Listen. The body. They're coming.
हो सकता है तुम्हारा हो। You fool.
Men are coming. They are coming for you.
Remember what they did to you. How your village
ब्लॉक। ओके, तो फोकस करके हम उसको स्लो कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली इनको जो क्रिस्टल वाले आते हैं इनको मारने के लिए हमें पहले इनको ब्लॉक करके अपना फोकस पूरा करना है, और जैसे ही वो आए उसको हमने ये हमारे पास आ गया। अब हम करेंगे फोकस। अब ये मरेगा, ये बात। इसका कॉम्बैट बहुत बहुत फिट है यार। हाँ, नाइस सनवा, नाइस। डिफरेंट किस्म का है। बच्चों यार, इधर हमने वेट करना है। बेसिकली हमने साइड होना है। ओके, फोकस करते हैं। धागा ला के सानू इश्क दियां सब गायब।
This place. She drowns in the past.
आई नो दिस प्लेस। शर्मा कहती है कि आई नो दिस प्लेस।
Dead hands.
वो बचपन गुजरा है यहाँ पे।
Village. Just cinders now. Past is never past.
Did you think you could escape your past, Senua? You tried to run, didn't you? You thought you got away. You thought you left it behind in hell. But you will however far you go, it will hold you forever in darkness.
Darkness with you, it's yours. Control.
You will never leave your past behind. It binds you in, helpless.
Lost in grief forever.
I carry it with me. It drives me forward.
She can't forget.
It's a promise. Not a prison.
Keep it close. Don't let the past stop you. Don't let it drag you down. Destiny awaits. Look up.
The worst pain, the cruelest blows, they make us who we are. Do you see that? She does. She won't lose them again. Her mother, her lover. She won't
खैर, आपको लग रहा होगा देखने में थोड़ी सी स्लो है, लेकिन जब आप इसको खेल रहे होते हैं तो
like life.
ये इतनी इंटरेक्टिव है।
Suppose.
यानी इससे ग्राफिक्स, इसके अंदर जो इसका साउंड डिज़ाइन है और कॉम्बैट, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, यानी एकदम खड़े खड़े एकदम साइड से कोई बंदा आता है, वो आपको पकड़ता है, आपने सोचा भी नहीं होता कोई आएगा, तो वो थोड़ा सा डरा ज़रूर देता है। यही तो मज़ा है वैसे इस गेम का। अच्छा, यहाँ पे हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? दूसरी साइड, हाँ यहाँ पे। ओके,
It's hanging forever.
एक और फांसी दी गई है यहाँ पे।
What could
फांसियों पे फांसियाँ दी हुई हैं यहाँ पे। ऊपर जाएंगे या आगे जाएंगे? आगे जाएंगे। दूसरी साइड पे सनवा कुछ करना है, फ्लेम उठाएगा या कुछ करे। ओके
So beautiful, they're moving.
कुछ नहीं करना।
Where will it take you? Where?
ये रास्ता खुला है यार, नजर क्यों नहीं आया?
Life.
ये क्या है?
In all the places of the earth, they know that the gods and spirits affect man's path.
हम ये करने आए थे इधर।
All the misfortune
चलो आगे चलते हैं यार। यकीनन लाश होगी पड़ी हुई, नहीं है? काम गया होगा। एक बार फिर नैरो नहर जाते हुए।
that scream, that voice, something dark, some leaves go up and
ये आपको वैसे ही जैसे मैं सुन रहा हूँ 4D साउंड, यानी कि दो हर साइड से, चारों पांचों साइड से आवाज़ आती है, कान के ऊपर, कान के नीचे, कान के राइट। अजीब सा सीन है,
What it's like to
लेकिन
feel
बहुत मजे का है।
as a
क्या
child,
आपको भी ऐसे ही सुनाई दे रहा है?
scared of the night. A mother's soft voice calmed her.
गाइस थोड़ी सी हलचल तो होनी चाहिए कमेंट सेक्शन में। एक ही कर दें, कोई एक ही बंदा कर दे यार, अपना अपना महसूस होता है। एक और फ्लेम।
Some shadows can't just be dispelled with light. Some shadows don't want to scare you. They want your blood, your flesh, your life. But the voices are calling.
इधर कुछ होना होगा, लाजमी बात है।
they're calling. Something is moving towards them. The glow of the light. Go quietly. Slowly. In twig. What does that mean? It's terrifying.
नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
We can sense the evil here. Listen. Torch. Kill you. They will kill us.
आदम खोर। प्रोटीन पीते हुए। सनवा डरते हुए कि कहीं अगला शिकार मैं ना हो, प्रोटीन मेरी भी ना पी जाए।
You can do this. Light is so intense. We want to keep moving towards it.
It's easy to turn back, turn away, when every nerve is screaming with fear. Be safe, be quiet, run and hide, run away. But to turn back is to lose yourself, lose your way, defeated and dead-eyed. And the path ahead is clear, soaked in blood and bile, a beacon bright and clear.
Keep going. Maybe this time she can't. This fear can't drag you down. You've chosen this place for a reason.
So many voices.
What is this place?
So loud.
What if this fear is worth listening to? You can feel it, that voice.
Summoning you.
That voice.
What's down
Smell this. Rotten.
there? Look.
I journey to these darkest lands to heal those overcome by fear and hate. However dark it seemed, I always found a ray of light. In this wretched land, by far the darkest of them all, it seemed the shadow would never lift. But I knew I would find my light.
Who is he?
He knows her.
He feels us.
Reaching out to us in the dark.
You have to help him, Senua.
This is our quest.
This is our destiny.
Our mission.
Senua, would you give your life for these outsiders?
In my darkest hour, it was an outsider who saved me.
This man, his kin killed yours. You should want his blood, not to give him aid. Oh, you have lost your way.
What are they doing to you? Dragging you away. Look what they do to those who fight.
They will see you. They will destroy you limb from limb.
Don't let them see you yet. It's not time. You have to get out. Get out of the camp. Get out. Get out. It's not too late to turn back.
You can always turn back.
What's that shadow? They're butchering. Slaughtering. I thought it could make us. How could you make them stop? What are they? It's too much. What are they?
It's just too much.
They're not human. They can't be. They're monsters.
A rite of blood and fire. You will never understand this power. Something is coming.
I don't want to go down there. You have to. She has no choice. There's no other path. But you are drowned in the blood.
Blood and bones and body.
Blood and bones and bodies.
Stand it anymore.
Can't. Shh, don't. A sound.
What's that?
Screaming, the screaming. The bones, the sound of bones.
Don't stop.
The one whose voice cuts through the chaos. He is her next sign, the next step on her path. She will bathe in blood, her sword will sing, and she will free him. He'll die trying.
She has us! She's fighting back! Yeah, come up and fight! I
See the muscle and feel it. You don't deserve to die here, Sandra. Let it go. Rage. Strong. Time to feel free now, someone. Keep going. They are fast, but you know what they are going to do. They are putting to they made it. Come on, get up. You can do nothing. Get up.
What's he going to do?
Earth is shattering. His natural set him free.
What is your name?
Senua.
He's not free.
I've been waiting for you.
Do it. Do it now. It's here. Help me.
His voice terrifies. She is coming. Can you feel her? She can feel it. Something from the other world is coming.
It's here. Help now. Do it.
Get out!
Run. Run.
Find out. What do we do?
Heat Tiger! Run!
We were lucky. Come on.
It all just stopped.
Yeah, it's daybreak. She'll have to hide from the light now. Well, she will hunt us. Find our trail as soon as he can. You're not safe now. Let's go.
Who are you?
My name is Fargrimur. I come from a settlement nearby. I came here to seek help.
He almost died.
You
The
have.
Freyslaug had fallen to the Draugar.
And to something
I walked
else.
into a massacre.
What was that?
And they took me as well.
But he was not like
Why
the
were you
others.
bound to that pole? What were the Draga doing?
I'm calling to the creature, drawing her forth with thunder and blood.
Creature called through death.
And I was an offering.
Tiger.
But why? Why were they calling it? It killed them.
Are we safe now?
I seem to worship
He
her.
seems too calm.
What if she comes back?
Her dark heart seems to speak to their own. I mean, all the old gods have left these lands, so
We should leave as well.
we'll find new ones where we can.
This land is cursed, Senua.
We will only find death.
Everyone is dying, and you know they will blame you.
Everyone
We
does.
do.
What are you going to do?
What can we do?
Follow him.
I need to return home to my people.
Go with him.
He can help you.
If you come with me, I will offer you what help I can. But I have to warn you, the creature stalks my village.
Il Tiger.
We can offer you refuge for a time, but not safety.
You've seen her before.
They have no hope.
To my cost. To everyone's cost. She haunts this
They have
land,
lost
from here to my
everything.
village in Red Hills.
If we go with him, she will find us.
We will find her.
Maybe you can fight her, Senua.
So you're from Orkneyr by your accent. How did you come here?
As a slave. I have the slave master tied down there.
He brought you here.
The master.
Maybe he escaped.
We don't know his name.
Thorkistur?
We do now.
I didn't ask his name.
Thorkistur of Borgarvirki.
There. We need to go there. He knows.
He knows.
You know it? Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes, but why would you want to go there? They'll kill you. Worse.
You need to go there, Senua.
Don't doubt. Don't be a coward. He can help you.
He will show you the way.
You don't need that monster.
What was the name?
Thorgester.
By the gods. this is. The Draugr were always savage. This is worse than I ever thought possible.
Look, that monster, Thorgester, is still there.
Still alive.
What are you going to do, Senua?
You know what to do.
We don't need him anymore.
What do you want to do about him?
Nothing. Leave
I
him.
don't need him. You can tell me where I need to go.
He cares about him.
Well, if you leave him, he will die. Draugr. Or simply starvation.
Don't doubt, Senua.
If the Draugr took him, it would be no less than he deserves.
Help me.
She is weak.
Don't feel pity. He doesn't deserve it.
She cannot do it.
Something about him.
She saw it.
Not just a monster.
She saw it.
A ray of light.
He is evil. There is no choice. So stupid. She's not listening to us.
Stupid.
She is saving him.
That monster.
That wound looks bad, Thorgistur.
I don't want to talk
Well, if you accept my hospitality, I can have it treated. You will not make it far alone.
I will come with you. But this changes nothing. Do not expect any gratitude from me or my father.
How could I?
You still haven't told me what she is. Iltaiga.
So many questions.
She's a giant. They awaken at sundown.
Iltoiga.
Time.
A giant.
A cursed land.
But now she has help. Fargrimr knows this land.
Many have tried to fight them, but all have failed. They're immortal. Maybe the gods can kill them, but there are no gods in these lands. The giants, they hide by day and hunt at night. Now, you may think, well, at least there's some respite by day. But know this, the nights grow longer. And come winter, there is no day, just endless night. Soon the time of man will end.
This place.
What is this place?
My settlement.
In pain.
I led my people here, promised them a new life,
Called this home.
an escape from the madness and misery across the sea. And for some time we were happy.
Like us.
We were happy.
Until
But
him
then the volcano and the darkness came.
A monster.
started enslaving people.
Iltauga stalks my settlement when night falls. She tramples our crops and kills what little livestock we've left. We're starving.
Why don't you leave?
We tried.
They failed.
No matter how far we get by day, as night falls, she hunts us down. And there are children here. People too weak to run. We're trapped. Night on night, our numbers fall.
He is asking you to help.
No, he isn't. They need you. They are dead if they don't fight back.
Gods. What a ruin. Where is everyone?
On the rocks. High. Safe. But Iltauga can't reach them.
You should have joined us when we offered you the chance.
There is no honor in the path you've chosen.
Say that again, old man, and I'll gut you like a fish.
Thorgestur, have a look around you. Have a thought as to who your real enemy is.
What does he mean? Who is the real enemy?
The giants are the real enemy.
No honor. He said there was no honor in the enslaver's path.
Which path did he choose?
This place has secrets.
She needs to find out.
She can see the thread that binds the world. can feel its hidden pulse and knows when that pulse quickens. She feels it now. A tremor on her skin. A being taking shape. Something is coming.
What is it? Rising from beneath the earth. He knows. He can sense it too. Can you feel it?
Can she?
She can feel it. She brings the rage.
Did you feel that?
She's coming back. It's coming.
Wait.
Ildhoiga.
Ildhoiga. She destroyed and she will destroy again.
He knows.
She's here.
You need to run.
Run! Run! She's here. Let's go. Get to the hills!
Get out of here! She can't do it. You can do this!
She's everywhere. Stop. She is unstoppable. She will take you. She is screaming our name. She is hunting us.
Run! Get out! Move! Why does she move? You can't.
Fear and fear. She is reaching for something. She wants him. Quick, save him.
Quick!
She was brave. She's stupid. She can see into you.
She wants
She is like us. She is suffering like you. We can see her.
She knows you.
He is helping us.
You saved him, remember?
Yes, he's saving her.
Stop thinking. Stop thinking.
Hide! She will not spare you again. Go!
She's coming back!
There are some wills so strong they dream a new world. A hell of their own creation. And they will not sit lonely in that nightmare. If you wake the dreamer, does the nightmare die?
We're not safe yet. Where are we?
Make him explain.
What is happening?
Ildhoiga.
Who is she?
It's a
when the volcano erupted, it tore open the wall between this world and
Now this world
Jotunheim.
suffers too.
The giants came flooding from the east, killing and eating
More
whomever
of
they
them,
could lay their
terrifying
hands on.
giants.
Now some of us, we hide.
You have to fight, not hide.
Make defenses, struggle on. And some of us use others to stem the tides.
Others? What do you mean?
Tell her, Thorgestur.
Tell me.
Shall I tell her what your father's been doing?
What else is there to do, Fargrimr? We found a way to keep our people
He
safe.
is part of it too. He
Your
believes.
people are dying.
There is no other way.
Tell us.
What are they doing?
The Gode of Borgarvirki is using slaves. Slaves from your lands. Sacrifices.
Sacrifice.
He's offering them to the giants so that his people will be left.
He takes innocent people. Evil. This stops now. He is a monster.
You can't stand alone against us. You have no chance.
He does not see, but he can see. His darkness is evil. We can show him.
He's a monster.
There is another way. There is always another way.
Taiga has you marked now. If you try to leave the Red Hills, he will hunt and kill you.
No. Then I will kill her first.
She can't be killed. It's impossible.
I have killed a god, Fargrimr. Nothing is impossible.
No, there is no
He
way.
is right. We cannot kill the giant.
The gods cannot be killed.
You can't. You deserve this.
Why did you come here, Senua? To stop the slavers,
Thought you were helping them.
and now you are stranded. Stay. You can't stop them. You can't kill the giant. You can't stop them.
I will. I will kill the giant.
सो मेरी छोटी सी यूट्यूब फैमिली, हम इस पार्ट को यहाँ पे ख़त्म करते हैं और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट पार्ट के साथ हाजिर होंगे। थोड़े टेक्निकल इश्यूज़ की वजह से हमारी बीच में साउंड रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाई। हम कोशिश करेंगे आइंदा ऐसी कोई गलती ना करें जिसकी वजह से हमारा साउंड आप तक ना पहुँचे, हमारी आवाज़ आप तक ना पहुँचे। तो गाइस, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब प्लीज़ एक दफ़ा इस चैनल को बुलंदियों तक पहुँचाएँ, उसके बाद हम आप बेहतर लेकर ना छोड़ देंगे। सो टेक केयर गाइस, अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।